Quicklogic is proud to be the first programmable logic company to actively support a fully open source suite of development tools for its MCU, FPGAs and eFPGA technologies. Eos S3 general purpose low powered MCU and eFPGA. The first family of devices to support Quicklogic's open reconfigurable computing initiative is the Eos S3 Multi-Core Soc. All family members incorporate a general purpose 80 MHz low powered ARM Cortex M4F MCU with 512 bytes of SRAM, serial interfaces, real-time clocks, micro DMAs, ADCs and an LDO to enable the device to operate from a single voltage. For software, we include open source SDK support for both FreeRTOS and Zephyr OS. Low powered SRAM based eFPGA. Typical use cases include flexibility of design, allowing new features and interfaces to be added without having to change the device. As a hardware accelerator, the eFPGA coupled with block RAM and multiply accumulate blocks complement the MCU to offload the workload more efficiently. Or timing critical I/O, some functions and operations need to have that predictability that only hardware can provide. Eos S3 general purpose low powered MCU plus eFPGA and LPSD for voice. Includes support for up to 2 digital mics through the low-powered sound detect block, reducing the power consumption whilst always listening for key phrase detection in headsets or voice-activated remote controls. Or non-voice IoT applications like glass break or gunshot detection. The LPSD block enables the device to be in a low-powered state in a battery-powered application until a significant change in acoustic energy is detected without the loss of data. Eos S3 general purpose low powered MCU, eFPGA, LPSD and Sensor Manager. Incorporates the Sensor Manager micro DMA for AI inferencing at the edge or the endpoint and for general purpose IoT applications. Multiple concurrent cores enable the algorithm partition capability between the M4 firmware, the micro DSP and the eFPGA to achieve the most power and computational efficient sensor processing system on a chip in the market. The QuickFeather development kit is a small form factor board ideal for enabling the next generation of low-powered machine learning capable IoT devices. Unlike other development kits, which are based on proprietary hardware and software tools, QuickFeather is based on open source hardware compatible with the Adafruit Feather form factor and is built around 100% open source software, including the SimbleFlow FPGA tools. Go from ideas to prototypes in just a few days with the Eos S3, the easy-to-use, low-cost development kit and SoC from Quicklogic.